welcome to my video. I'm KJ, this is Mommy, and I'm KJ.
Say welcome to our channel.
Welcome to my channel.
What we doing? What we about to do?
What we wanna do is play with the Ryan Volcano. And now, let's open it. Yay! Just gonna look at the bag.
Wait, we gotta see. All right. So today, y'all, we
I'm gonna put the
gonna play with his Ryan Volcano. Wait.
Okay.
He wanted to vlog this for y'all so y'all could see him do it. I don't know what I'm doing, but we just gonna do this with y'all. Okay, guys. So I guess we just gotta start off by opening it. Let me put this down some so y'all can see.
Yeah.
All right. Come on, KJ. How do we open this?
You need to
Oh, I see it.
just take
Wait,
it
what are
off.
scissors?
Oh, we got scissors in the cabinet. Go find it. Oh, you get scissors. When you open this Ryan toy, you already opened it.
Stop, no.
This. Look at that. I see something getting back.
They didn't even give us no instructions.
Yeah, it's nothing gets instructions. But let's get it out. Get it out, get it out. Oh, we found that. Oh.
Wait a minute.
What do we
We got a
need?
shovel.
We need to use with
Okay.
that. I think we need to just cut this in and do it and find the crystal.
Oh, here go my shovel.
Yeah. What do you need to do? Oh, you need to cut that. You need to do that. Look at that, Mommy. Look at that. Just you need a budget. Just do it with the shovel. How about you do it with the shovel? Oh, what's the ways you need to do it? That is a good one.
Okay, guys, we back. So
back.
we had to move. We had to get down on the floor so y'all can see it a little bit. Let's get started.
Let's get started.
So
Put
we got the
some
water.
Oh, I don't want to do it. I'm scared.
What you scared of? Come on. You scared cat. You ready?
It's gonna spill all over me.
You'll be all right.
Do it. Get. Oh my gosh. Put some more in there.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Y'all can't see what it's doing.
Look at that. That is a bubble bath. That is a bubble bomb. Do I need to dig it? Oh, okay.
Wait a minute, got a fizz. Maybe I'm supposed to pour some more. Oh, wait a minute. I think I'm supposed to pour more water
No, yeah.
until it flow over.
Oh God, it's getting over there. I want to get this spill on me.
Wait a minute. Let me let y'all see.
Oh my gosh, it's spilling all over there. Nice. Look, Mommy. It looks
Oh, we're
like
starting to
oil.
Wait a minute.
Look in there
Pour
and more water. Oh my gosh, Oh my gosh, Mommy, pour some more. More. Oh my gosh, it's spilling all over. Look.
Dig it with the shovel.
Yeah, I do.
Dig it with the shovel.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
No, don't put your finger in it.
Take it.
Don't put your finger in it.
Oh. A little bit more.
All right. Let me see. You gotta do stop. Gotta do this one now.
Yeah, let's do this one.
Pass me that
How about
towel.
you dig it?
Pass me that other time.
Okay. Let's dig it, Mommy. How about we dig
And
it?
this is the part that you dig.
Yeah, yes, this is what the part you dig with the shovel. Yes.
Get out.
Go.
All right.
Now I'm gonna
Y'all
dig
ain't
it.
so excited.
Can I do it with the shovel? And do it.
Let me show you.
I'll put some more water. Can I dig it? Oh God. Can I dig it?
You gotta wait till it gets soft.
Put some more, put some more. Don't put it all. Done. Do it get soft?
It's gonna get soft like sand.
Yeah, it's gonna get
This
soft.
part fizzing too.
It's got water in.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing. Let me see.
Here you go. Can I dig it? Can I dig it? Let me. Let's do
You
it.
still dig?
Let's do it back.
He getting there.
Did it? Right down.
Say almost there.
Yeah, almost there.
All right, now do it.
Okay.
Guys, it's basically like sand. You got all on your shirt.
Mommy, it smells
Still
like...
digging.
Yeah. It still looks like a sand. It smells like sand, Mommy.
I think this is like something that you just sit and do all day. So I know we'll be doing this all day, but we were just giving y'all a little video. I know we haven't posted in a while.
Mommy, look at Combo.
But
Combo is like, oh, wait, Ryan, I can't see him.
I said we was gonna start posting videos.
How about you did just get the Ryan
And we'll
out?
probably just be doing little vlogs like this.
I think we need
little
another one.
Family vlog.
But I think we need a...
This stuff is getting all over the place. But yeah, we'll be doing like different little family vlogs.
Yeah, family.
Challenges. Pranks probably on his dad.
Yeah, pranks. It's sand, Daddy.
We're gonna be posting more videos for you
Yeah,
guys.
but we got
This is just a little
something
something to do, something to post.
Yeah,
for the channel.
I wanna
And KJ, tell them. Make sure you subscribe.
make sure you subscribe and comment down below, hit that bell, and yes, dig.
Let's dig. Alright guys. So we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Tell them bye.
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 Let's keep on digging.
Let's keep on digging.
It is slime. We need another one, Mommy. Oh.
This was inside the
Mommy,
green
we need
egg.
another one.
What is this? Looks like some kind of
need another
sparkly
one.
dog bones. And the yellow egg.
Yeah, we opened the green egg, but we didn't. We did it.
And
We
these
found.
are inside the yellow
We
egg.
found star glitters to put the slime on it, and but we can't open it because we did.
So yeah, this is all the stuff inside the sand.
And to put the glitter all over the slime.